Did you experience COVID weight gain? Me too! But in the last 1 month, I brought a couple of changes in my lifestyle, my workout routine, and tried intermittent fasting for the first time and went from this to this. Yeah, I get it. Between working from home, not being able to go to the gym, and more access to food around you, I gained weight too. So today I'm going to share with you what I did in this last 1 month that took me from 133 pounds to 126 pounds. I found the Do Fasting app very helpful in following my intermittent fasting and tracking my progress. I will share more about the uniqueness of this app later in the video, but for now, let's talk more about why I chose intermittent fasting and the tricks that made it easier for me to lose weight faster. Firstly, I don't believe that you can lose weight instantly or overnight and get the body of your dreams, nor do I believe in punishing yourself with those restrictive diets to achieve your body goals. I know that I would fail trying to follow a low-calorie diet if I am restricted to eating small quantities or just salads or kept away from foods that I enjoy eating. I wanted to make my weight loss journey enjoyable. I have to admit, I was scared of committing to intermittent fasting. I did not want this to be one of those quick weight loss methods that is actually unhealthy in the long run. So I wanted to do some research and understand why is this new diet trend sweeping the whole nation, or even globally, a lot of regular people are finding it easy to pull off successfully. Celebrities such as Jennifer Aniston, Kourtney Kardashian, Scarlett Johansson, supermodel Gisele Bündchen, all these people are trying intermittent fasting to look the way they do. But then going through these multiple blogs and videos was time consuming, and some of them weren't even giving me the right information. I wanted to understand what healthy meal plans could look like if I was going to follow intermittent fasting, something that was suggested by professional nutritionists. You too would want the right guidance from experts instead of just blindly following something that's popular. This is when I downloaded this app called Do Fasting. This app is a game changer. It combines all the benefits of intermittent fasting like in one place. Firstly, I got a ton of correct and simplified information about how to fast successfully. I actually understood what intermittent fasting is. Now, intermittent fasting mostly tells you when to eat rather than what to eat. It works better than most of the diets because it is not restrictive. The goal of intermittent fasting is to starve the body the right way for long enough to trigger fat burning. It's up to you. You can choose a flexible eating pattern that fits either your appetite or your lifestyle. It does not have one plan fits all approach. That clarity was very important to me. Now here comes the best part about the app. It is like your personal assistant that guides you through daily healthy meal recommendations for every part of the day. There are useful tips and articles to keep you motivated every day. The suggestions are created by professional nutritionists so that you can consume the right number of calories and learn how to practice fasting in the safest way possible. Think about it. If you are getting everything that a professional nutritionist would recommend to you and more without actually going to one and paying their fee to customize and tailor your meals to meet your specific dietary needs. Say if you're vegan, the app will suggest the right meals and calories per meal or snack for you. You need gluten-free diet? You got it. Ketogenic diet? The app will give you that too. You can have access to over 5,000 recipes in one place. That's not it. The app also has simple at-home workouts with no equipment. You know that diets work successfully if you eat well and work out as well. Workouts are a big part of achieving those goals faster. The app has a time tracker. It is easier for me to track my weight loss history every day or every week or however often I want to. I can track how many calories and how much water I have consumed, how many steps I have walked today or the whole week. Having all of this available on one app makes it so much easier to stay motivated and to track how weekly or daily your body changes. It has an active online community to share your experiences with. Bust some of your myths and get correct answers here. Another motivating part was when I understood what is happening with my body during intermittent fasting every hour. This app shows you your fasting state as to what happens in the first 4 hours, what is happening between the 4th and the 12th hour, between 12th and 18th hour. Why I decided to choose the 16-hour fast is because I learned that it is only after the first 10 to 12 hours that the fat burning actually initiates in your body. I bet by now a lot of you want to try this Do Fasting app if you are interested in intermittent fasting. So just for my blushers, Do Fasting is currently offering up to 75% discount. You heard that right. 75% discount for all their fasting plans with my promo code, which you will see in the description below. That's not it. The first 500 people can get extra 10% off their first subscription. Make sure to click the link in my description and start your fasting journey today. I reached out to Do Fasting app to sponsor this video after I tried this app myself, and I found it extremely effective. And you know me, I do not recommend anything on my channel unless I have tried it and enjoyed the experience, and I truly feel that it's going to make a difference to your life. So thank you, Do Fasting app, for sponsoring this video. So I chose the 16:8 ratio of fasting plan. This is where you consume your daily macros or eat your regular meals within an 8-hour eating window, and then you fast for 16 hours. This is what I meant by when I said it sounded scary initially, but in reality, it was so easy to follow. For example, I have my last meal at around 6 p.m. and then I can have my next meal at 10 a.m. So the only change I had to make was eat my dinner 2 hours earlier than my usual 8 p.m. and then eat my breakfast 2 hours late. In the first 2 days, it did feel a little tough because I was still eating my dinner at 8 p.m., which meant that I had to fast till 12 p.m. the next day. But just by changing the timing slightly, it made it so much easier for me. If you follow a healthy and balanced diet and combine it with intermittent fasting, the weight will drop off much faster. But even if you don't limit yourself to specific types of food to consume during your eating window, you are still more likely to consume fewer calories than usual when your eating window is very small, right? When I eat a heavy meal around 10:30 a.m., there is no way I would binge on a heavy snack or have another heavy meal before dinner. So automatically the number of calories that I consume are far lesser than what I used to. Now, I found intermittent fasting to be super effective in burning fat after about 10 to 14 hours of fasting, as your body starts burning fat that is stored in your body for energy, since fasting has made your body void of blood sugar and glycogen. Intermittent fasting is praised as one of the most effective weight loss methods because it is an easy way to restrict your calorie intake without having to push yourself into following strict diet or avoid foods that you crave. During my eating window, that is between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m., I would eat a heavy early lunch and then a small snack in the evening, and then again an early dinner by about 6 p.m. I did struggle with the fact that I could not even have my morning coffee because, unlike my husband, I like to have my coffee with a little bit of milk and some sugar. And when I say some sugar, by now you know that I like a lot of sugar in my coffee. I knew I would not be able to make this a consistent lifestyle choice if I had to completely give up on having coffee first thing in the morning. So all that I did was reduce the quantity of coffee that I drank in the morning dramatically. And only then I realized that I did not need that huge cup of coffee at all. A very small cup of coffee with about half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of sugar with 1 teaspoon of milk was more than enough to give me that coffee flavor in my mouth and that morning kick that I needed. And I am so glad that I experimented with this because now even in the evening, that's all the quantity of coffee that I need and I'm totally fine with it. Frankly, that's one part where I felt like I cheated a little bit, but hey, it seems to have worked for me. Could the results have been better? Maybe. The less you load your body with sugar during this eating window, the sooner that fat burning state of your body starts. Now, secondly, I started my workouts seriously, unlike how I had worked out during the last 1.5 years. So when I work out, I do a lot of weight training, which means even if I fast and lose weight, I was sure that the weighing scale will not show a big difference, because as I lose that body fat, I would be gaining that muscle weight at the same time. One thing that I didn't want was to lose all of that body fat and then have my skin look all loose. I wanted to look toned and firm. I will tell you one thing though. During this 1 month, I was traveling for 1 week and I could not work out during that 1 week. But I kept up with the fasting plan. All that I did differently during that 1 week was just take my dog out for long walks instead of doing weight training. Now, during that 1 week, I saw the biggest weight drop. I went from 130.4 to 128 pounds. During the other weeks, I was gaining muscle weight while losing fat, but during this week, I was only losing fat and not gaining any muscle weight. This was an interesting observation that I wanted to share with you. Now, chances are sometimes you may feel extremely hungry, and that happened with me too. All I did was either have a big cup of warm water, that helped, or sometimes if I really craved eating something, I would eat a small radish or a cucumber or a handful of green peas. Did you know that one radish has just 1 calorie? You would know it if you've been watching my channel, because I did mention it in one of my previous videos where I talked about what I eat in a day. I will link it up here, do watch it. So if I was really very hungry, I treated myself to anything that was under 30 calories. But I continued to eat my regular meals during my eating window, along with that one piece of sweet that I just can't seem to give up. And with intermittent fasting, I don't need to give up. The final trick or tip that actually made it work faster for me was trying to avoid eating food from outside as much as possible. Even if I traveled, I chose to live in Airbnb and cook at home instead of eating outside. Intermittent fasting will certainly show weight loss faster than most weight loss methods. You must have heard that when you start any kind of weight loss journey that it is a slow process. Don't worry, you will notice the results if you stick to a plan or a diet long enough. When you have strict plans and a diet with a lot of restrictions, then very soon it removes any pleasures or splurges. Once you fall off the track, it is very hard to get back on a diet, and you will very often notice that quick weight gain, because all that time you were denying yourself of small pleasures. Like every time I tried to give up sugar completely, I failed. My 28-day intermittent fasting challenge is done, but I am not done with it. I am enjoying this fasting, so I am still sharing my progress on my Instagram. And before my 43rd birthday this year, I hope to share the message that age is just a number. You can change your metabolism and your body at any age and age better. We are not here to look like 20-year-old as we age, but we can all look good for our age. In this video, I try to share a lifestyle change that is easy to keep up with if you want to lose weight without letting it come back after a month. I am Parveena Katkar and I am an image coach and a face yoga coach. If you want to work with me, my website is below in the description. Please do consider following me on Instagram, Facebook fan page, TikTok, as well as Amazon storefront. If you are new to my channel and think that my content can help you improve every week, then please hit the subscribe button and hit that like button that you will notice below this video, and do not forget to comment below. I know a lot of you have tried intermittent fasting, and if you have your own tips and tricks to share with me, then please share them in the comments below, because if you share them with me, then I will be sure to share them with the rest of my Blush With Me community on my channel. I will see you next week. Until then, stay healthy and continue to blush with me.